So it looks like ModMic are making a bit of a resurgence. Now we've just received ours courtesy of the audio brand for this review, so shout out to Antlion Audio, and we've noticed a few new videos appear on our YouTube feeds already, which is great. It's a little early in our video to say that we already know that the ModMic is a superb product. Now they've been a part of the gaming industry for a long while now. So measuring at around 7.5 inches end to end, the ModMic Wireless is a small modular microphone that sits on the end of a boom arm. Being fully modular means that it can be used with any set of headphones, as the small magnetic disc adapter simply sticks to the side of your headphones. Now being wireless, there's a small USB dongle included in the box too, and the entire product is completely plug and play, and is even compatible with games consoles as well. Just attach the dongle to one of the USB ports on your console and away you go. Now I put any and simply in air quotes because although that's how it's advertised, I did have a bit of an issue with the pre-applied 3M adhesive pad on mine. Now I use a set of 512 audio headphones while gaming, which you can see here, and it does have a shiny and slightly embossed 512 audio logo on the side, and the microphone just wouldn't stick to the side of the headphones with just the pre-applied 3M pad on the controller. I had to apply the spare circular adhesive pad that you get in the box to the headphones first, make sure that that was really stuck down, and then I stuck the ModMic magnet to the pad. Now it's on there now, and it is very tough, but do be cautious if you have any accented branding on the side of your headphones. Now a plain set of cans would work best for this reason. Now while we're on the disc, the boom arm can move and be secured in a vertical position if you're wanting to move the microphone out of the way of your mouth, similar to a traditional gaming headset. And a bit of an issue for me though is the fact that the most comfortable fit to the ModMic Wireless, it really needs to be attached to the right ear cup. Now there's a micro USB port on the controller to charge the device, and if mounted on the right ear cup, the port aims downwards. Mount on the left ear cup though, and the port aims upwards, making it a bit of an issue if you're wanting to use this microphone while it's charging. You'll get 12 hours of battery life out of this thing, which is more than perfect for a day's work or even heavy gaming sessions. Connecting the microphone and dongle together was extremely simple. Hold down the button on the side of the ModMic and it'll flash blue to indicate it's searching. Do the same with the dongle and it'll flash blue as well, and the two will just connect. It sees it inside of Windows as a ModMic in your sound settings and you're good to go. There was no faffing around with getting the two to see each other, unplugging and plugging things back in, or even software to mess around with. And I haven't had an issue each time I've wanted to use the ModMic to play games either. There are 3 indicator lights on both the ModMic and the dongle itself. These two match. Blue represents them being connected together, a low battery which is orange or even charging when plugged in, and muted is red. You mute the microphone by pressing the button in the center of the controller, and it's easy to feel when playing games and has a nice satisfying click, so you know you've pressed it. Now I will say it doesn't cut the microphone sound out straight away and can result in a slight thud for people listening to you, but this is fairly minimal. The ModMic comes with 2 polar patterns, and this can be switched using the toggle on the end of the microphone boom arm itself. Now the first is a unidirectional polar pattern, which I say I used around 95% of the time I was playing games, as it did a great job of dulling out the sound of my keyboard cluttering away and also the faint hum of my PC fans, but it does at the sacrifice of my voice sounding a little compressed. The second pattern is an omnidirectional pickup pattern, which is designed to capture voices from the front and rear of the microphone segment and offers a much wider sound, but you do hear the clicks of a keyboard and a subtle fan whir on, especially with my setup here. There is a pop filter or windshield that comes with it, so this will save you from those plosive sounds. Now by this point you've probably heard what a ModMic Wireless sounds like, but if not, here's an example. So with all our microphone reviews, I've just jumped back into OBS to show you what the wireless ModMic is going to sound like if you are going to be recording through OBS or through your gaming PC, if you're going to be doing a bit of live streaming, that kind of thing, or recording voiceovers for videos. Now at the moment I've got the wireless ModMic in its unidirectional pattern, so my voice is only being picked up from the front, this side of the microphone. And what I will show you very, very quickly is what it's going to sound like if I am going to be doing some typing. So just check this out. Like so. So I've just switched over to the omnidirectional, or the bidirectional, can you call it? There are 2 microphones on this, one pointing towards me, the other one pointing away. So I've just switched over to that polar pattern now. And if I stay quiet for just a second, just listen to the background noise, As you can see in the corner, I do have my gaming PC on my desk right next to me. And that's the type of background noise that you could expect. And again, if I just give a quick typing example. That's the type of noise that you can expect. And as you say, the keyboard is just in front of me here. So that's the type of noise that you could expect if you are using the omnidirectional pickup pattern on the ModMic Wireless. So we've jumped back into Vermintide 2 just to give you a quick demonstration of what you can expect the ModMic Wireless to sound like during intense moments of gameplay. Okay, I've picked this game because it gets quite loud at times. I'm also using the microphone in the unidirectional pickup pattern, so there is that, just to dampen the sound that you could hear from my keyboard when I'm tapping on my keys or my mouse, and my PC fans from the PC that's sitting just to my right. From that, I can honestly say this microphone sounds absolutely incredible and way better than a traditional gaming headset, bar maybe some of the higher priced entries in the market. Now, it's definitely a microphone that you could happily use to stream without really your audience getting annoyed at the audio quality. It offers a much warmer and clearer tone if you're comparing it to more traditional gaming headsets as well. But saying that, it doesn't really match the quality that you can get out of a proper streaming setup or podcast type setups like mine here with my Rode Procaster and Go XLR mini combo, or for the price tag of this ModMic Wireless, you could even consider something like an Elgato Wave 3 or one of the cheaper Blue Yeti microphones, which will offer a less compressed sound as well. So I thought this test could actually work quite well between what I'm picking up on the ModMic Wireless and what I'm picking up on the Rode Procaster, which is plugged directly into the Go XLR Mini. So the quality between the two, yes, you're going to hear a difference, but I don't think the difference is going to be enough to justify the extra cost that may be involved with getting that big streaming setup, when you could, in fact, after listening back to the gameplay that I did of Vermintide 2, talking into the ModMic, that was absolutely crystal clear in my opinion. And for the cost of the ModMic compared to the actual Rode Procaster that you're getting, well, as I say, Rode Procaster or whatever microphone you want to go for, with a Go XLR and that kind of thing, XLR inputs, and it gets all a bit complex where this is the ModMic. The ModMic is just one USB into your desktop. So you've got such a benefit of not having extra gear on your desk. You've not got one of these boom arms that are holding on the microphone, which is an extra cost as well, extra real estate for your desk. So yeah. But you've also got to take into consideration as well that this ModMic Wireless is a tiny microphone that sticks to the side of your existing headphones. Your desk real estate can be significantly increased by not having a boom arm stretched across it to get to you. Well, that was the case with my setup anyway. Now, I'm dead impressed with the ModMic Wireless, and I was even told by people I play with that I sounded no different on Discord when switching between my Rode Procaster and ModMic Wireless when talking to them. Now, compression, of course, will play a big part in this though, on the Discord side especially, so do take that into consideration. And yes, while a bigger podcast type setup may sound clearer when recording audio, the ModMic Wireless is still a fantastic addition to your gaming setup, which gives users the chance to use their favorite headphones while gaming. Thank you very much for checking out our video review of the ModMic Wireless. If you enjoyed this video, then do please hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos. And also let us know in the comments below what you thought about the sound quality of the ModMic Wireless here. Is it something you would use on your own setup? Or if you're using a ModMic product already, let us know in the comments. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.